Hebei, Best Machinery Equipment, was established in 2011. Our headquarter is in Hong Kong. Since its establishment, it has been deeply loved by customers. Many customers visiting. Our products are fully automatic laying hen cages, broiler cages, chick cages, feed processing units, and other farm equipment. The product quality strictly complies with EU standards. We have factories not only in China, but also in Nigeria, Tanzania, and Ethiopia. Our engineers visit customers' farms all over the world to carry out installation and other work. They have rich experience in local farm projects and look forward to working with you. Please contact us to obtain your personal detail farm plan.